Financial engineer job role, practical experience guidelines and AI contribution. Welcome to the exciting world of financial engineering. In this role, you will be at the forefront of finance and technology, using cutting-edge mathematical models, also algorithms, to shape the future of financial markets. Whether you're pricing complex derivatives, managing risk, or optimizing investment portfolios, your work will directly impact the success of financial institutions globally. Get ready to leverage your quantitative skills and innovative thinking to drive financial innovation, as well as growth. Job description. A financial engineer applies advanced mathematical, statistical, and computational techniques to create innovative financial products, optimize investment portfolios, also manage financial risk. This role is crucial in developing, including implementing models for derivatives pricing, algorithmic trading, and quantitative analysis to support decision-making in financial markets. Industry profile. Financial engineers are integral to various sectors including investment banking, hedge funds, insurance companies, fintech startups, and financial consulting firms. They play a key role in the design, also execution of financial strategies that require high-level quantitative analysis. Key responsibilities. Quantitative analysis. Develop and implement models to analyze market data, also forecast financial trends. Derivatives pricing. Design as well as apply models for the pricing of complex financial instruments, such as options along with futures. Risk management. Create strategies to manage financial risks, market, credit, including operational risks. Algorithmic trading. Develop and refine automated trading strategies to optimize execution, also profitability. Portfolio optimization. Utilize advanced mathematical techniques to optimize investment portfolios, balancing risk including return. Software development. Code financial models using programming languages like Python, C++, or MATLAB. Research and development. Stay updated with the latest advancements in financial theory as well as practice, contributing to the development of new financial products and tools. At a glance. Your interest. If you are passionate about finance, mathematics, and technology, this role is ideal for you. Entry qualification. A strong background in finance, mathematics, statistics, also computer science is required. A master's in financial engineering, MFE, or a related field is often preferred. Lifestyle. Financial engineers typically work in high-pressure environments with tight deadlines, often in major financial hubs. Location. Common locations include financial centers such as New York, London, Hong Kong, and Tokyo. The realities. The role demands long hours, continuous learning, also the ability to work with complex, including often abstract mathematical models. Soft skills guide. Ability to collaborate effectively with diverse teams including traders, analysts, and IT professionals. Strong leadership skills to guide technical teams, also influence strategic decisions. A logical and methodical approach to solving complex financial problems. Highly developed IT skills across programming, software development, as well as data analysis. Strong understanding of financial markets to provide cost-effective and innovative solutions. Career path. Trainee. Begin as a trainee in financial institutions, gaining exposure to financial modeling, also quantitative analysis. Junior analyst. Progress to a junior analyst role, focusing on the application of financial engineering techniques. Quantitative analyst. Advance to a quantitative analyst, where you'll develop as well as apply models for trading and risk management. Senior analyst. Move up to a senior analyst position, taking on more complex projects including leadership responsibilities. Further careers paths. Financial engineer/quant. Become a financial engineer or quantitative specialist, focusing on developing proprietary models and strategies. Lead quant/manager. Lead teams of analysts, also quants, directing the development of trading systems including financial products. Director of quantitative research. Oversee all quantitative research and strategy within an organization. Related careers. Quantitative analyst. Focuses on the development and application of complex models for trading, also risk management. Risk manager. Specializes in identifying as well as mitigating financial risks within an organization. Portfolio manager. Manages investment portfolios, balancing risk including return to meet specific financial goals. Data scientist. Applies data analysis, also machine learning techniques to financial data to uncover insights including informed decision-making. Algorithmic trader. Designs and implements automated trading strategies to capitalize on market opportunities. Here are key practical experiences for a financial engineer and suggestions on how to acquire them. Building financial models. Experience. Develop, test, and refine financial models used for pricing, derivatives, risk management, also investment analysis. How to learn it. Take advanced courses in financial modeling, such as those offered in master's programs in financial engineering or online platforms like Coursera or edX. Participate in internships at financial institutions where you can work directly on financial modeling projects. Use software tools like Excel, MATLAB, or Python to create your own models based on historical financial data. Algorithmic trading. Experience. Design and implement automated trading strategies using quantitative techniques. How to get it. Study algorithmic trading through specialized courses including online resources. Gain hands-on experience by participating in trading competitions or using trading simulators. Work on projects that involve backtesting trading algorithms using programming languages like Python or R. Risk management. Experience. Analyze and manage financial risks using quantitative models, also risk management tools. How to learn it. Obtain certifications like the Financial Risk Manager, FRM, ACCA, Chartered Financial Analyst, CFA. Gain experience through roles in risk management departments at financial institutions, focusing on credit risk, market risk, or operational risk. Engage in case studies or projects that involve assessing and mitigating financial risks. Derivatives pricing. Experience. Apply mathematical models to price complex financial instruments such as options, futures, and swaps. How to get it. Study financial derivatives, also pricing models, including the Black-Scholes model, through academic courses or online learning platforms. Practice pricing derivatives using software tools as well as financial data from sources like Bloomberg or Reuters. Intern at financial institutions or trading firms where derivatives pricing is a core activity. Programming and software development. Experience. Write and optimize code for implementing financial models, also simulations. How to get it. Learn programming languages commonly used in financial engineering, such as Python, C++, or MATLAB. Work on projects that involve developing software for financial analysis, using version control systems like Git. Contribute to open-source financial projects or start your own project to create a financial tool or library. Data analysis and machine learning. Experience. Analyze large datasets to extract insights and apply machine learning techniques to financial problems. How to get it. Take courses in data science, machine learning, also their applications in finance. Gain experience with tools like Pandas, NumPy, including TensorFlow by working on data-driven financial projects. Participate in data science competitions, such as those hosted on Kaggle, focused on financial datasets. 7. Portfolio management and optimization. Experience. Develop and apply techniques to optimize investment portfolios, balancing risk, also return. How to get it. Study portfolio management as well as optimization techniques through finance courses or certifications like CA, ACCA, or CFA. Gain practical experience by managing a simulated investment portfolio or participating in investment clubs. Intern at asset management firms where portfolio optimization is a key function. Stochastic calculus and advanced mathematics. Experience. Apply stochastic processes, differential equations, and other advanced mathematical concepts to model financial markets. How to get it? Take advanced mathematics courses focusing on stochastic calculus, differential equations, also probability theory. Work on academic or personal projects that apply these mathematical concepts to financial problems. Collaborate with researchers or professors on finance-related mathematical research. Collaboration with multidisciplinary teams. Experience. Work closely with professionals from different backgrounds, including traders, analysts, and IT experts. How to get it? Participate in team projects or internships where you collaborate with colleagues from various disciplines. Develop strong communication skills to effectively share complex quantitative ideas with non-specialists. Engage in cross-functional projects or hackathons that bring together diverse skill sets. Publishing and presenting research. Experience. Write and publish research findings in academic journals or present them at conferences. How to get it? Contribute to research projects during your academic studies or work with research institutions. Also submit papers to finance or quantitative journals. Attend and present at finance conferences or industry events to share your work, including network with peers. Each of these experiences is crucial for becoming a well-rounded financial engineer. Also, they can be acquired through a combination of formal education, self-study, internships, and practical projects. 8. A contribution to autonomous transformation for financial engineering job role. Thank you for listening. For more information related to job role or description, follow our channel Career Quest.